Looking for a refreshing and healthy juice? This cucumber, green apple, carrot, and celery juice is packed with nutrient, perfect for a natural detox. The ingredients I'll be using is cucumber, that's good for hydration, and I'll be using carrots, which is good for your health, good for your eyesight, and a natural sweetness. The green apple have a natural sweetness, also rich in antioxidants. And celery is great for digestion and hydration. Combine them all together, give you a very healthy juice that's good for your well-being. So what I'll be doing now, I'm just giving them a bit of wash. Not only that, apple also full of vitamin C, and celery is very good for anti-inflammatory. Carrot also packed with vitamin A, which is good for your skin. And the cucumber is so refreshing and have a detoxifying properties in it. What I'm doing here, I'm just cutting up the vegetables and the fruit. You can use a juicer, but I choose not to use a juicer because if you put all of this in the juicer, you're not going to get much. But this is the way I like it, and this is how it works for me. Let me know in the comment section how you make your detox juice and how you make your juice, or how you would like it. This juice also is good for glowing skin and good to drink, from morning to midday. Probably if you drink it in the night, it probably may keep you up. Depends on, your body, what works for your body. Some people can drink it in the night and it works out very fine for them. Some, you drink this, it might keep you up. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video of any help to you, please do like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to pack them in my blender. So I'm just packing them layers upon layers. What I normally do, I normally add a little bit of water, and it's just to help with the blending process, just to get things moving in the blender. This juice is very healthy, and I'm telling you, you try this recipe, you're gonna love this. This is the consistency of it. Normally, I don't like it with bits, so I will pass it through a strainer. And I don't like it cold either. But whenever you're making it, just make it to your suit, because I don't like when it's too cold, because it's a little bit warm now. So I'm just gonna pass it through the strainer. So I'm just pouring it out in my desired jug. Go ahead, and I'm pouring it out in my glass. I'm telling you, this is so rich. If you look at the color, so lovely color. Wow, this is very nice. Absolutely delicious and refreshing. I'm gonna make this exact drink tomorrow again. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.